Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Top English Podcast. Today, we are going to learn 10 very useful English phrases. Some of them may sound a little hard or funny, but don't worry, they have very easy meanings. And once you learn them, you can use them in your daily conversation just like native speakers. So let's get started. Phrase 1, break the ice. Break the ice means to start a friendly conversation in a situation where people feel shy or quiet. Imagine you go to a party and you don't know anyone. The atmosphere feels a little awkward. Then someone tells a joke or asks a friendly question. That's breaking the ice. For example, I told a funny story to break the ice at my new office. Phrase 2, hit the sack. Instead of saying go to bed or go to sleep, English speakers often say hit the sack. It's an informal way to say you are very tired and ready to sleep. For example, I have a long day tomorrow, so I'm going to hit the sack early tonight. Phrase 3, once in a blue moon. This phrase means something that happens very rarely. A blue moon is a rare event. So this expression is used for unusual situations. For example, I eat ice cream only once in a blue moon because I try to stay healthy. Phrase 4, piece of cake. When something is very easy, you can say it's a piece of cake. Think about eating cake. It's simple and pleasant, right? That's why we use this phrase. For example, the English test was a piece of cake for me. Under the weather. If you are not feeling well, instead of saying, I am sick, you can say, I'm under the weather. It's a polite and soft way to express that you're not healthy. For example, I didn't go to work today because I was feeling under the weather. Cost an arm and a leg. This means something is very expensive. Of course, you don't really give your arm or leg. It's just a funny way of saying the price is too high. For example, that new iPhone costs an arm and a leg. In hot water. When someone is in hot water, it means they're in trouble. For example, he forgot his wife's birthday, and now he's in hot water. It's often used for situations where you made a mistake and now have a problem. On cloud 9. If you are very, very happy, you can say you are on cloud 9. Imagine yourself floating high up in the sky because of joy. For example, she was on cloud 9 after passing her exam. Spill the beans. This phrase means to reveal a secret, usually by mistake. For example, he spilled the beans about the surprise party. Once the secret is out, the surprise is gone. Call it a day. This phrase means to stop working for now, usually after you've done enough or feel tired. For example, we have been working for 5 hours. Let's call it a day and continue tomorrow. So these are 10 common English phrases that may sound strange at first, but are very simple and fun to use. Try practicing them in your daily conversations. The more you use them, the more natural your English will sound. Thank you for listening to Top English Podcast. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful English lessons. See you in the next episode.